Wealthy individuals manage money differently. They do not leave all funds in a single account. Instead, they rely on structure. And that structure often starts with 3 bank accounts. The first account is for spending, daily expenses, bills, and discretionary purchases. This account keeps life running smoothly, prevents accidental overspending from long-term funds. The second account is for saving. Emergency funds and short-term goals are placed here. It provides financial security, creates a buffer against unexpected events. The third account is for investing, stocks, bonds, index funds, and other wealth-building vehicles. This is where money grows exponentially over time. Compound interest and market returns work in favor of the owner. The key advantage of this system is separation. It creates clarity between spending and growth. People are less likely to touch funds meant for long-term wealth. It enforces discipline naturally. Many people fail financially because accounts are combined. They confuse daily spending with savings. They dip into long-term funds for short-term desires. This undermines financial growth. Automation amplifies the 3-account strategy. Scheduled transfers send money into savings and investments automatically. Before it reaches spending accounts, it's already allocated. It removes decision fatigue and emotional spending. Over time, the strategy compounds. Regular investment contributions grow via compound interest. Savings accumulate steadily. Spending stays within budget. The system is self-reinforcing. Another benefit is visibility. With 3 accounts, it's easy to track money flows. People see exactly where their money goes. It becomes simpler to adjust strategies if needed. The system is not just for the wealthy. It is accessible to anyone. Even small amounts can benefit from proper allocation. Discipline and consistency matter more than the initial balance. 3 lessons emerge clearly. First, separation of funds drives better financial decisions. Second, automation enhances consistency and growth. Third, clarity reduces financial stress and risk. This strategy also highlights the importance of mindset. Wealthy individuals prioritize systems over effort. They understand that structure leads to results. Money works when organized intelligently. Over decades, the 3-account strategy quietly builds wealth. Small, consistent steps grow into substantial financial security. It emphasizes control, clarity, and patience. It shows that simple systems often outperform complicated schemes. If you want more insights into money systems, compound growth, and wealth strategies, explore more videos on Wealth Finance 61. Like the video, subscribe, and comment your thoughts.